Hi, I'm Tim Bourne from FP Seals, Cylinder Parts Manager. Today I'm going to show you a little trick that I've learned on how to fit piston composites as small as 50mm onto a solid 50mm piston. Firstly, I'm going to fit the O-ring into the groove, like that. And I'm slowly going to manipulate or massage the steel in my fingers just to make it, to warm it up, just to make it a little bit more flexible. Right? When you're happy that you have done this, and you're happy with the flexibility of the seal, then with the use of an O-ring cone or a cone of some type, drop the seal over there, take a little screwdriver or pick, and just slowly walk the seal around the O-ring cone, easing it further down the cone, all the way like that. So you're happy with the style. Now this might possibly take several attempts, because you might not get it right the first time. That's why you require it. Right. As you can see, the seal is walking down there fairly easy. Now take the seal off, take your piston, now you'll see that it fits a lot easier. Now obviously, of course, as you can see, the seal is far too big. And one of the problems we have to do now is that we have to shrink it back down again. So therefore we take a sleeve here, where we can see it's being machined out into a taper. We slide that into there and just gently ease that through there, compressing the piston and the seal back again, all the way down to the bottom. And then by doing that, and reversing that, you can then see that the seal is now compressed back again. Thank you for watching.